Hi, it's Felix from Inclusive Music. BandLab Technologies today announced that its award-winning education platform has successfully completed beta testing and is now available to all educators for free. Free! Teachers and educational institutions can access the full platform at edubandlab.com. That's edu.bandlab.com. BandLab for Education is a music creation and collaboration platform allowing students and teachers to work together on any web-based tablet or computer. With features inspired by professional software tools but designed for everyone, BandLab for Education opens access to award-winning music technology at no charge to educational institutions. No charge! Yes, you heard me. BandLab for Education's creation tools put the focus on student-generated content in line with the 2014 recommended US music standard, which emphasized creating and responding to music as key learning goals alongside performance. The web-based platform allows students and teachers to start making music straight away with over 100 built-in virtual instruments, including keyboards, synths, drum pads, strings, and wind instruments. Students can get up and running immediately with or without physical instruments, build their understanding of music production principles. BandLab for Education's digital audio workstation, DAW, is easy to use for beginners and offers familiar features for students who want to dive deeper. Make their school workflow seamless. BandLab for Education supports all file formats, including MP3, WAV, ACC, or OGG. It also works with Pro Tools, Logic, Ableton, GarageBand, and more. Importing or exporting tracks has never been easier. Track progress easily. The teacher-only interface view allows educators to clearly set, manage, track, and grade assessments. Students can track and submit their work via the cloud anytime, anywhere. Safeguarding. Work in a safe, COPPA and FERPA compliant learning environment. BandLab for Education's closed environment is COPPA and FERPA compliant. The teacher is always in control of the virtual classroom with oversight of what's happening, whether that's one-to-one, in small groups, or across multiple classes. Meng-Ru Kwok, CEO of BandLab Technologies, said, "The demand for our product in beta confirms that music educators want to integrate new creation tools in their classroom, but might not know where to start or have the budget to adopt new technologies on a large scale. By tearing down financial barriers of access and simplifying the learning curve for doors, BandLab for Education offers a solution that helps teachers focus on what they do best, encouraging the best possible work from their students." Already we're seeing some great use cases powered by BandLab for Education in middle schools, high schools, and colleges. We're incredibly excited to see what students and educators are going to create on our platform now that's in full launch. BandLab for Education plans to include integrations with learning management systems such as Google Classroom in the near future. Although built to be a standalone platform, BandLab for Education is part of an overall BandLab product family, which includes the open-to-all version of BandLab and the BandLab Link series, audio interfaces that connect instruments directly into mobile phones, laptops, and desktops. BandLab for Education is available free. Yes, free. To sign up, view teacher tutorials and find out more information, visit educationbandlab.com. Inclusive Music has just released a brand new course for teachers and students, BandLab for Beginners. A comprehensive course taking both teacher and student on a learning journey, mastering the basics of creating an amazing song in one of over 50 contemporary styles, including K-pop, trip-hop, future bass, glitch, grime, and many more. Including lesson plans, video tutorials, and quizzes, this course promises to entertain and educate. All the teacher needs to do is play and pause the video tutorials and the expert takes over. Why not check it out here and get the completely free trial? BandLab for Beginners will increase inclusion and access to music and transform how teachers teach and how students learn. Go to learning.inclusivemusic.com and get it now. No charge.